teaching box in this next one here. So Sister Kostakis, what do you learn from Tori's experience?
Often it's only after we look back on a hardship that we see how Jehovah helped us get through it. Our sister Tori found that to be true. Her son Mason battled with cancer for 6 years until he passed away. She says, "I don't think there could have been a more painful ordeal for me as a mother." Tori later reflected on the ways in which Jehovah helped her through it. In hindsight, she says, "I can see Jehovah's loving hand throughout my son's illness."
Yeah, very good. And Nicoletta, further on that, what were some examples of Jehovah's loving hand?
When Mason was too sick to see visitors, brothers and sisters would drive 2 hours to the hospital. There was always someone in the waiting room, ready and willing to provide support. Also, the material needs were cared for. Tori said that even in the worst of times, we never went without.
Nice. That's a great support, isn't it? And then Brother Kostakis, how else did Jehovah make Mason and Tori successful?
Mason was diagnosed with cancer when he was 7, and as was mentioned, he courageously fought the disease for 6 years and was in and out of hospital. Each time he was released from the hospital, brothers and sisters, they noticed a pattern. Mason was out in the ministry almost immediately. He loved to engage in the ministry for as long as his strength would permit. Mason's love for Jehovah and for people, his strength and his faithful example allowed Mason to successfully cope with his hardships and to successfully give a fine witness. More than 700 people attended his memorial service, including many schoolmates and teachers. One teacher said that she wanted her children to have the same kind of faith Mason had. Later, she was contacted by Jehovah's Witnesses, and she agreed to attend a congregation meeting. Mason's mother says, "Jehovah didn't miraculously heal Mason, and sometimes that thought prevented me from seeing how Jehovah was making our way successful. But he was. Jehovah gave us exactly what we needed when we needed it."
Very good. And now Vasiliki, what is it that Jehovah gave Sister Tori and Mason that helped them to be successful?
Comfort, encouragement, and strength.
Absolutely. Right on. Thank you very